Hello and welcome to another session of Mindfulness Practice. Thank you for being here with me today. Sit down on your chair, upright, and take a couple of simple breaths. Observe your breath without influencing it. Inhale and then direct your breath to your lower belly, to the diaphragm. And exhale. Thank the air for its oxygen. And exhale all stale air. Feel how with every breath you take and every time you exhale, your body gets heavier and heavier. Feel how the muscles relax, how your eyes relax, your cheeks, your mouth, the back of your head, your neck. Inhale, feel your chest rise, feel your belly rise. Exhale, feel your shoulders sink a little deeper, feel your arms relax, feel your belly relax, and your hips and thighs, your calves, your soles, and even your toes. Feel how you get heavier and heavier and even more relaxed. And for past mindfulness trainings, I have been guiding you to certain places. Now it is time to find your own place, your own secret spot. This might be a place from your childhood that you want to return to. It may be a place that no longer exists in the physical world. It might be an imaginary space. Anything that you can create in your mind or also remember. Imagine you're setting one foot in front of the other, getting closer to this place. And the closer you get, the safer you feel. It is a space where you feel protected, accepted, loved, and safe. Imagine what it feels like to be in this space. Imagine what it smells like and which sounds you can hear. Imagine all the colors. Is it outside? Is it in a forest? Or a lawn overgrown with flowers? Is it at the ocean or at a lake? Or is it a place in your home? Just imagine the environment around you, the space. What time of day is it? Is the sun shining? Or is it already dawn? You can decide, it is your space. Imagine this place as a place that you can always return to. A place you can reload your energy. A place that gives you life force. A place that makes you feel empowered and makes you feel your strength, courage, love, and compassion, because it is your own space that you created in your mind, a space that will always protect you and that in any situation will be there for you. And the next time a situation arises that makes you feel insecure or that you have trouble with, just return to this place of calmness, peace, and safety. And just sit down in this place and enjoy it. Imagine it is the place where your mind spends its vacation, its own place of harmony within the busy times and thoughts of the day. It is a sanctuary where your mind can regain its energy and then take a couple more breaths, and whenever your thoughts drift off, just gently bring them back to this place. And then bring your awareness back to your physical body on your chair. Imagine the space around you and bring your full presence into this moment. Feel your feet resting on the ground. Feel the weight of your hands on your knees. And with the next breath, imagine inhaling fresh air that re-energizes you, and then gently open your eyes and stand up. Stretch your arms shake out your legs and just jump a little on the spot and continue your day with a clear mind. Thank you for being here. Hope to see you soon for the next training of mindfulness.